Every employer and building owner or operator wants to make sure that occupants and visitors are safe, and a fast, coordinated response in the event of an emergency is a key part of it. As a world leader in fire and security solution, Carrier makes those responses possible, with reliable, innovative solutions that protect people and property around the world. Our world headquarters, the Carrier Center for Intelligent Buildings, is a living case study of our expertise in fire and security. Here, at our firewall demo, we can explore our building's coordinated response using the example of a fire emergency. Let's get started. In the unfortunate event a building occupant were to witness a fire, they would pull down the pull station to activate the fire alarm. When the pull station is activated, or if smoke was detected by an Edwards smoke detector, our Edwards fire alarm control panel would alert the local fire department and notify building management. And a voice evacuation message and flashing strobes would alert our building occupants of the emergency. If there were an actual fire in the building, it would activate the water sprinkler head, initiating the sprinkler systems, and our Edwards fire alarm system would record the location of the emergency. If smoke were detected in the atrium, it would trigger our Edwards integrated smoke control system, which controls multiple building functions, including opening turnstile and front doors to quickly help people exit the building. Managing heating and cooling functions, including disabling the air handling unit in the atrium, and sending elevators to the primary or alternate discharge floor and opening their doors. If the fire should migrate to the data center, the kit of fire suppression system sequence would begin, shutting down power to secure digital information and releasing a clean agent into the room. This non-toxic gas won't leave residue to damage equipment or to clean up afterwards. With the system having alerted the fire department right away, firefighters would arrive faster and inspect for structural smoke and heat damage. With Edwards integration to our Lenel S2 OnGuard platform, all Clear software can assist in providing first responders with accurate, real-time information. If the building is cleared by the fire department, occupants may re-enter safely. Throughout the response, the entire series of events would be centrally monitored in our Building Intelligence Center. This demonstration shows how an intelligent, integrated system can ultimately save lives and property to make buildings smarter, easier to manage, and safer for the people inside. Visit us online or contact your local Carrier fire expert to learn more